Hey, welcome back to Mk2 Golf Stories. Today we're going to be looking at freeing up a brake compensator, also known as the brake bias valve. Mine's completely seized. Let's see if we can get it free. Let's go. So here's our brake compensator. Here's the spring for it. You can see all that. I'll get a closer shot as well. So there's a few hinge points on it, which we'll have to give them a good soaking. That's it, isn't it? Oh yeah. Right. Ugh. Just remember soaking. I guess it's there. Anywhere else up here? Can't see where else I might need to soak it. That gets it all. Pretty rusty looking, so you know, maybe that won't help it. I'm wondering, that's opening and closing kind of okay. If this spring is the issue, it's not springing back. I could try opening that a bit more, see if it stretches the spring out. Yeah, that's stretching. I can see the spring stretching. Let's give that a good soaking as well. I wonder if there should be a spring on it here, but that wouldn't explain why it's not springing back. Is this thing fucked? This spring fucked? Right, so I'm going to put my foot on the brake. Let's see if it opens and closes while I do that. Yeah, so I think we're going to have to swap this whole thing out. It doesn't look too easy to remove. It's got this bit of dubbed cable tie. Probably undo these unions. Pull the brake lines out. Should undo all the fucking brake fluid. Fucking hell. Undo these two bolts on the side here. Hopefully that's it. Okay, so the consensus is that I need a new brake compensator, which is what I've got here. So, as you can see, it's got a bit more movement than the one I currently have has. And I've also got a new bracket from James. Thanks a lot, James. Because this one has the rubber bush on it, which the spring hooks onto. And I think that's missing from mine. So let's see how much trouble those nuts on the compensator are going to give us to undo. They've been soaking in WD-40 for 3 or 4 days. Fresh spray each day, so they should be nice and loose, hopefully. But let's see if we can get them off. So here are the 2 nuts I want to get off. And then there's one for the bracket, which is here. This is where that rubber thing goes. Is it this one, mine? Oh no, I've got it on. That's good to know. I thought it was missing. Okay, so I don't need to take that off. It's just the compensator I need to take off. Are they 13? Is that 13? I think it might be. Wow, that's actually come undone a lot easier than I expected. This one, however, must be a bit rounded off. Oh, there we go. Yes. There we go, that's one. 2. Wow. Actually surprised. Well, they came off a lot easier than I expected. Just need to wait for my brake line tool now so I can undo the nipples on the brake lines going into it. I'll just give each of these another spraying. It's got this fucking cable tie off as well. There's some WD-40 just to make sure that they come off nice and easy. It should do, you know, hopefully. Okay, my spanners arrived, my brake spanners. I'll put a link to these down in the description below. Got 8 sizes, so hopefully should do the job. Right, let's get to there and see how easy those brake lines come off. What the fuck is that? Put his nuts back on to hold it in place. Got those back on. Can now try undoing these nuts. Right, got one of them undone. So this one I've managed to undo and loosen. This one in the back here I've managed to undo and loosen. Can't get to this one at the moment, but this one will not budge at all. So I'm going to try and give it a tap with a screwdriver hammer, see if that helps at all. But even the brake spanner is just spinning around on it. So I'm worried I'm going to round it off, but let's see. Fuck, I knew it'd be too easy for this to go too smoothly. There's one brake line that I can't undo. I'm just starting to round off, so I'm going to see if my dad's got any ideas. Oh, God damn it.
Catch your head in. Oh, where did you catch that? Can't see.
Just won't budge.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Nah, it's not good.
No good.
Fucking hell.
Got to cut it off. You got it?
Yeah.
Go on. You fucking legend.
I think it's not twisting pipe. We'll do it again, try a bit more. If it works, it's well worth paying the money first, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm doing.
Yep.
Can you get a normal spanner on it now, Ben?
I think so.
Oh, fucking brilliant. Well done.
Thank you, yeah. Hope I've not fractured the pipe.
Find out when we tighten it up.
That's the thing, it'll get tight, haven't you?
Mm.
So it's not by leaking.
There we go. All undone. So now I'll take off these nuts again. I'll take this compensator off. Oh, there we go, one manky old compensator. Okay, let's get a new one on. Fuck's sake. Bit. Trying to get the spring back on now. It's almost on.
Oh,
Just can't get it up here.
up to you.
Top tip, attach it before you put it back up here. So there we go, put it back in place now. Right, let's try and get these tightened up. as best we can. This is the guy we had trouble with. Hopefully he'll be better behaved going on. Well, now we're just struggling with getting one of the lines back in to the new brake compensator. It feels like you get it in 2 turns and it feels like it's starting to catch and it's going to be cross-threaded. So my dad's having a look at that. I'll take a break for a minute. Again, one line, and it's not the one we had trouble getting off, it's a different one. Right, so and that's the real way, my dad has got it on. The best thing to do is to actually start putting the pipes in, tighten them up before you mount a compensator onto the bracket under the body. It gives you a bit more room to angle it and get them lined up properly. So do that before you tighten it up onto the bracket. Right, now we'll tighten up these 2 bolts.
Better.
Okay, there we go. It's back on.
Nice movement there.
Well, that's look, Dad, it's not working properly yet because it's flapping about with this until we get it on the ground.
I know, it's nice movement, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. So there we go. That's back on. We've dried all the lines. Gonna leave it jacked up just to make sure that there's nothing leaking, and then we can get it back down. So we'll leave this for a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's done. We just need to check the brake fluid levels and bleed the brakes. So there we go. If you found this video on changing your brake compensator useful, please give us a like, click on subscribe, leave us a comment. I'm not sure if my old one was seized. Obviously it wasn't because it's moving about, but yeah, there we go. That's ruled it out. It's completely, should be okay now. Should be no issue with that. Another video coming again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.